Most people think you need a lot of money to start making money. I used to think that too, and that belief kept me stuck. So I stopped waiting. I started with what I had, $12. That was the experiment. I limited myself to $12 a week. No credit cards, no loans, no investors. $12 forces clarity. You can't overthink. You're forced to act. Before I show you what I did, let me be honest about the timeline. This wasn't fast. It took me 5 months to reach $4,000. 5 months of small wins, slow weeks, repetition. The first month barely felt like progress. I was learning more than earning. By the second month, things started to click. I stopped guessing. I started repeating. By month 3, cash flow became predictable. That's when momentum kicked in. My first real move was simple. I searched free on Facebook Marketplace. In the US, people give away value every day, not because it's broken, because they want space. I cleaned a small table, took better photos, reposted it. It sold for $25. That was my first proof. My first $12 went into cleaning supplies. Nothing fancy, just enough to get started. I offered one-time apartment and garage cleanouts, no contracts, just solving problems. 2 jobs brought in $80, still small, but moving forward. Then I noticed something people hate doing, cleaning trash bins. It smells, it's unpleasant, which makes it valuable. 6 homes, $15 each, $90. I also helped people with basic tech, email setup, removing spam, installing apps, $30 per visit, no certifications, just patience. Now here's the part that kept this realistic. I didn't reinvest every dollar. I had to eat. I split the money. Most went back into the hustle. Some covered basic needs. A little stayed as a buffer. As the cash grew, I moved into garage sales. People sell working items cheap to clear space. Buy for 20, sell for 65. I continuously repeat the process. I bundled services to earn more per stop. Some weeks were slow. Some items didn't sell. So I adjusted instead of quitting. 5 months after starting with $12 a week, I crossed $4,000. Not from one big win, from repetition. People pay for convenience. Local demand is underestimated. If you want to try this, start small, move fast, split your money intentionally. Small money, real effort, real results.